Welcome to CondoLogy.
I'm CondoBot. I have been very busy these days. In this video, which will be divided into a few sections, we will change the year of the administration. Given that we had determined in our series of videos according to the condominium administration, which is fictitious, at that time, we had determined that the start date of the administration was January 1st, 2023, that the last day was December 31st, 2023, then the year of administration is 2023. So the first thing we need to do when we refer to the procedure of using CondoLogy, we can see that is to back up our reports. How we do the saving, of course. Here we are in the report of the budget items. So these are all the items which happen to have formed the budget for the year 2023. If we want, we can click on the little lines that are here on the right, and then we can print, and we will print as a list. So at that point, we will find ourselves producing a complete report as well as a summary of all budget items. We could export the documents in PDF format, which is more difficult to modify. If you want to remove columns, you can remove them. At that point, we produce a report that we could put in landscape position, and there we would have all the information in the report. So, this is the way to save our reports. We are going to make budget items. We are going to make the condominium register. Of course, we want to know if all the contributions are paid. Indeed, they are. All balances are zero. We could also look at the register of syndicates, because affiliated syndicates happen to have contributions to make. The classifications are made. We can, as everything is paid, make a report showing that everything is paid. It is always the same procedure in each report if you want. We can print as a list, and there is also another way to proceed. We see here that we have a list. We can export or print, but what is interesting is that we could, if you wish, print it as a summary, so we would have the summary of each of the syndicates. It could be the same thing for the other reports, but it makes much larger reports, but it is possible to do so to. As we have just seen, it is possible to save, print or export the different reports. In fact, all reports, if desired, can be saved in different formats. But I still have a bit of a penchant for saving or exporting in an Excel format, because it allows you to take all the reports and merge them into a single document like we see here. We has multiple tabs, reports that I have saved. So, we really gave it after a click of our mouse. We could also save or export in PDF format and merge PDF documents, but that prevents us from creating different formats later. It's really the administration's decision to know how we save documents. So, I named the document Administration 2023. If we now want to save this year of administration, we go inside our description of the condominium. We click on the three little green dots. We do edit, and you remember that we have in this form a space reserved for saving archives. In terms of administration of previous years, so the year we have just finished is the year 2023. We are going to get our document, which is here Administration 2023. We open, and there we are. We have just uploaded our year of administration. So we can use these documents for our future needs, and we could very well put a PDF format, which is more difficult to modify, right here next to it. We update it, and at that point, we just keep it at inside the description of the condominium all our data from the previous year. In the next video, we will look at how we change the year of administration to produce our upcoming budget.